Namaste. Welcome to Vivekananda Youth Forum to everyone. So before entering into our session, I welcome all for this wonderful youth forum. I'll just talk for 2 minutes. The purpose of this, others, our revered Swami Atvidanandji and Swami Adishwaranandji is going to give some more details about this program. So Swamiji, Swami Vivekananda is a role model for youth, and he in his lectures every time he insists and clearly says about our motherland and our generation. First, my faith is in younger generation and modern generation. Out of them will come my workers. They work like a lions to solve this entire problems of India. So that much faith is there, Swamiji, with all youngsters. And he says every time, strength is life, weakness is death. And all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. So this youth, which is the vital part and most important part of our lives. So to be used properly, to channelize properly, to reach our goals for a highest cause. So Swami Vivekananda ideas we need to put into the practice in our daily life. So the purpose of this youth forum is to get these ideas with the great personalities. Different speakers come in these 3 months on a different topics, which you already given a message. What are the topics we are going to cover? There are different speakers is going to come, very interesting and inspiring. So I request everyone to attend these classes without any single day also miss. Try to attend regularly to get and grab the highest thoughts. So Swamiji says, let your mind fill with highest ideas, positive ideas. Then the positive ideas, when it is filling, then the goodness will come, the good work will come. So what is our thing is, we need to always put some good ideas and positive thoughts in our mind. So with this introduction, I'll start our meditation session. So meditation is the most important thing because we need to have two things. One is a strength and strong body and a strong mind. So this meditation definitely help us to reach these two, particularly mind orientation. Before wasting anything, without wasting any time, let us put things into the practice. Sit in a comfortable position. If possible, please switch on your video so that our teachers, other teachers will monitor you if you are making any mistake. If possible, choose a position where you can sit comfortably. First, try to understand your position, how to sit, that is most important. So what is meditation is? Meditation is training our mind. When you are training your mind, you need to understand what is mind. And also there is a relation always between your body and mind. So if your body is still, then slowly your mind also comes to the calm position. So that is why we need to choose a position every day, to sit in a position with a comfortable, without any movements. Try to practice this and see. Always yoga is practice and experience. It is an experience based technique. Try to keep your spine straight, neck and head straight. Normally when we say this, you sit stiff. It is not. Try to sit in a comfortable and interlock your fingers. Keep them on your lap. First, close your eyes. Prayers to your Ishtadevata. Whoever is your Ishtadevata, just pray to him to give willpower, to give Shraddha, to practice this meditation or these classes continuously. Just pray to him for a while. First thing in meditation, we need to cut our external disturbances. Choose a place where you can sit quietly. You should not practice meditation where there is so much noise like TV or some other disturbance. Try to avoid all those and choose a place where you can sit without any much disturbance. Then the second thing is mind. Try to observe your mind. It is very simple way to observe our mind. What is that? Is try to divert your mind to your inner side and watch your thoughts. Normally, in the beginning, it will be difficult for us to notice our thoughts. But once you start slowly, in a period of time, we will be able to know what our mind is carrying now. That is most important, because based on that only we will be able to control our mind. Now I request everyone, just for 2 minutes, divert your mind to your inner side and observe your thoughts. Don't try to restrict, just observe, that's all. Now keep a smile on your face. Let your inner joy reflect through your face. Now let us chant Omkara. First, listen how I am chanting this Omkara. Then next time onwards, you try to repeat in that same rhythm along with me. Take a long breath in. Now let us chant together. Now keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra. A universal prayer. Whenever I give pause, just repeat. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya.
Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya.
Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya.
Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya.
Mrityorma Amrutangamaya.
Mrityorma Amrutangamaya.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Now concentrate on the tip of your nostrils. Close your eyes. Try to inhale smoothly, exhale smoothly. Let your full focus on your breath and practice for a few seconds. Smooth inhalation and aware about your breathing, and smooth exhalation, aware about your breath out. Now feel your Anahata Chakrasthana, that is the middle of your chest part. Just feel that region. And visualize that there is a small room at your Anahata chakra, at your middle of your chest. Now, keep a lamp, a divine light. Visualize that divine light at your Anahata chakra and continuously meditate on that light. Now stop your practice. Have a deep breath in and out for a few times. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. So this is a small meditation technique. Next week, I'll just try to explain you in detail what is meditation. Patanjali Maharshi in his Ashtanga Yoga, he says Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. So Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana. These three is very important for a meditation. So next week I will explain and I will tell you that technique. Thank you. Next, we are going to have another session. Maharaj, you can unmute Maharaj.
Thank you, Anil Garu. Good evening to all. Now, 10 minutes we do some Veda mantra patana, Vedic chanting, and some bhajans. Afterwards, our Secretary Swamiji will inaugurate. See. Share screen, ji. We call it Veda mantra, not Veda sloka or etc. Veda mantra means if you go on repeating, it will happen. It's having its own udatta, anudatta, swarita, like its own frequency. If you go on chanting, that frequency will affect our subconscious mind. We get Medha Shakti. Our IQ, our memory, concentration, etc. increases. So try to we chant loudly. Please repeat loudly. And we are all children of God. Forget your anything. Repeat loudly. We start with prarthana. Okay, na? That you can make it small. On 3 times. Okay. Okay. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Gananantva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavin Kavina Mupamashavastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Ana Shunvanoti Bisida Sadhanam Om Hamsa Hamsaya Vidmahe Paramahamsaya Dhimahi Tanno Hamsa Prachodayat Om Namo Hiranyabahave Hiranyavarnaya Hiranyapataye Ambikapataya Umapataye Pashupataye Namo Namaha Om Bhurvasvaha नाम संभवे च मयो भवे च नमः शंकराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च ॐ निधनपतये नमः
गणपतये
पढ़ा ले
नमः
रहा
निधनपतान्तिकाय नमः ऊर्ध्वाय नमः ऊर्ध्वलिङ्गाय नमः हिरण्याय नमः हिरण्यलिङ्गाय नमः सुवर्णाय नमः सुवर्णलिङ्गाय नमः दिव्याय नमः दिव्यलिङ्गाय नमः भवाय नमः भवलिङ्गाय नमः सर्वाय नमः सर्वलिङ्गाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवलिङ्गाय नमः ज्वलाय नमः ज्वललिङ्गाय नमः आत्माय नमः आत्मलिङ्गाय नमः परमाय नमः परमलिङ्गाय नमः एतत्सोमस्य सूर्यस्य सर्वलिङ्गग् स्थापयति पाणिमन्त्रं पवित्रम् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात् ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय यो वेदादो स्वर प्रोक्तो वेदान्ते च प्रतिष्ठितः तस्य प्रकृतिलीनस्य यः परस्य महेश्वरः सदा शिवो ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ Now we'll watch our inauguration session by our revered Secretary Swamiji.
ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ. Welcome to all our youngsters for joining in this youth forum, which is being started online from today. From the last 19-20 years, we are conducting the program here in the ashram, Visakhapatnam ashram. Now, to cover a larger section, it is being put on the online mode. Swami Vivekananda gave his message, a very powerful message for the development of our youth. And it is so well received everywhere. And Government of India declared the birthday of Swami Vivekananda as the National Youth Day. So that is going on from several years. Here also we are conducting various programs in Visakhapatnam. Now we are putting it online. Swamiji's message is so relevant for the development of the youth. So we should study Swami Vivekananda's the message and equip ourselves for the use of our countrymen. We should practice it and we should convey it. This is the purpose. And our friends in Visakhapatnam, they have joined together to put this online. He says, strength is life, weakness is death. So, strength is life when we start feeling this message. That is why we should follow the message of Swami Vivekananda wherever you are. They are all printed in beautiful small books. They are available online also. Please read. And this online classes, probably it will be once in a week, and be in touch and get the message. So that you can greatly benefited by this message of Swamiji. and you can practice it, give it to our youngsters in your own areas. So I request all the people who are now online, message is for youth. So whoever is on the line, they are all youth, because youthfulness is a mental process. It is not connected only with the age. So I request all of our friends, others, so please join in this online youth forum. Various important people from various parts of the country, we shall be calling them online to give their message to the youth of our country. And it will energize you, it will make you do all things which you are already doing, whether study or work or any profession, everything it will make you do better. I wish all our youngsters particularly and everyone to join in this online program. The schedule will be probably every Sunday. They will be giving you you'll be in touch and practice. Maybe it may be for half an hour or 1 hour in a week, but it is a very important message that you are going to get. I wish all our people, particularly the youth, should get energized. The country has to be taken further. It is already moving, but it has to. Swami Vivekananda had predicted, Swami, our country will be in the top, not second or third, top of the, so that who will do that? Our youth only, who will hear this message, practice this message and implement, that will make our country strong. Thank you. Hello.
Now, revered Swami Atmidanand Maharaj will lighten the lamp. I request everyone to join your hands together. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya
Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya.
Thank you very much, Maharaj. Next, we are going to have our Sanskrit Subhashita.
Subhashita.
Jai Ram Krishna. My pranams to Maharaj and all the elderly here. So in every Sunday classes, we learn one Subhashitam. Subhashitam means Su means good. Suputraha we say. Suputraha means good son. So Subhashitam means the good words. Okay. So why we learn all these Subhashitam means these Subhashitam will be in a rhythmic sound. So we remember these things whenever the situation arises. These Subhashitams struck in our mind and we'll react according to these words. That is the reason from our childhood, our great, our ancient people or our gurus, all the people used to tell these Subhashitams to us. So today we learn one Subhashitam. In this Subhashitam, we see how our energy, the same energy is there, the same Shakti is there, but we have so many different names for the Shakti. So what are the different names? And if we have these qualities, what we will get? That is the meaning of the Subhashitam. Subhashitam goes like this. You chant after me. Udyamasahasam dhairyam. Udyamasahasam dhairyam. Buddhi shakti parakramaha. Buddhi shakti parakramaha. Shadete yatra vartante. Shadete yatra vartante. Tatra deva sahayakrit. Tatra deva sahayakrit. It means all the 6 qualities. Udyamaha. Can anyone say the meaning of Udyamaha? Udyamaha, effort. You can say freely. Udyamaha means self-effort. Okay, we always in every small activity or big activity, we put effort, right? That is Udyamaha. The second thing is Udyama Sahasam. Sahasam means what? Bravery. See, we have strength and everything. Only few people can take action, immediately can react. That is Sahasam. Udyama Sahasam Dhairyam. So Dhairyam is behind Sahasam. If you have courage, then only you can take one action. That is Dhairyam. And what after that? Udyama Sahasam Dhairyam. Buddhi Shakti Parakramaha. Buddhi means knowledge. What is the knowledge? Buddhi means in Manaha we store all the knowledge. Buddhi gives Viveka, discrimination. What are actions we can do or what actions we must not do. Because Buddhi, in our Manaha, the knowledge is already stored. What is the knowledge? We from childhood to till now, we see many things and many experiences. All the experiences are there in our Manaha. And Buddhi is the thing which gives us the direction. Viveka, what is good and what is bad. That is Buddhi. Then behind that comes Shakti, the power. What I told, the Shakti, from Shakti only all these things come. Shakti is power. We know, all of us know about Shakti, energy. And the last one is Parakramaha. What is Parakramaha? See, all these, if we see, look alike, courage, brave, all these things. Parakramaha, usually we won't have Parakramaha. In daily activities, we won't show Parakramaha. Parakrama means one step ahead. If you have this much strength, but while you're in yuddha or in activity, that time there one situation arises, that time you show more power, whatever you're having. That is Parakrama. In particular time, you exceed that thing. Out of the box, we say. That is Parakrama. If we have all these 6 qualities, Sahasam, Buddhi, Udyama Sahasam Dhairyam, Buddhi Shakti Parakramaha, Shadiyete Yatra Vartante. All these 6 qualities where exist. It means all these 6 qualities exist in some person. For him, even the God Almighty renders assistance to him. Means even the God helps him. God helps means what? Entire nature helps him. helps him. Means entire the person, all the people around us definitely will help if we have all these qualities. Then again we'll repeat this and we'll remember this, recite in at home so that we can remember, and when the situation comes then we can act according to this. Okay, again. Udyamasaha samdhairyam buddhi shakti parakramaha षडेते यत्र वर्तन्ते षडेते यत्र वर्तन्ते तत्र देव सहायकृत्
तत्र देव सहायकृत्
तत्र देव सहायकृत्.
तत्र देव सहायकृत्.
Now two lines. Okay. उद्यमस्साह समधैर्यं बुद्धिशक्ति पराक्रमः षडेते यत्र वर्तन्ते तत्र देव सहायकृत्. One more time. उद्यमस्साह समधैर्यं बुद्धिशक्ति पराक्रमः षडेते यत्र वर्तन्ते तत्र देव सहायकृत्. धन्यवादः. जय राम कृष्ण. We all learn together.
Namaste, Varanaji.
Whatever we are learning, we put in our information group and activity group. You can see afterwards. So, video link also I'll send you. This slides of PDF. This tubelight you can off.
The next topic is soft skills by Swami Avishwaranand Maharaj.
Ji. So just warm up. I read 2 minutes Swamiji's quotations. Then we go to our topic. PD. Swamiji says, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Do not believe that you are weak. Stand up and express the divinity within you. Swami Vivekananda. And one more, Sri Ramakrishna says, as long as I live, so long do I learn. Swamiji again says, when you are doing any work, do not think of anything beyond. Do it as worship. God is everywhere, but he is most manifest in man. So, serve man as God. That is as good as worshipping God. Sri Ramakrishna. Teach yourself, teach everyone his real nature. Call upon the sleeping soul and see how it awakes. Power will come, glory will come, goodness will come, purity will come, and everything that is excellent will come when the sleeping soul is aroused to self-conscious activity. Swami Vivekananda. So this PPT I'll post in information group. Afterwards you can see. You go to next. Next one. G. What we want is to see the man who is harmoniously developed, great in heart, great in mind, great in deed, says Swami Vivekananda. So, first our today's topic is personality development. Swamiji says we are potentially divine. We are children of God. And nature is not biased. We all know you are most, so many learned persons. You are well trained, well read. And our Dr. Ji is there. He's our very nice motivational speaker. And he's going to next sessions he will take. He's having a YouTube channel also. I put that link. Please subscribe and etc. Wonderful speaker is, very learned. Ji. And our so many other speakers are there. 10 speakers are there. I will put all that biodata, etc. So nature is not biased. So if you cut open any brain, how many neurons will be there? Anybody? $100 million neurons. Any brain. And nature is giving us equal opportunity. If you cut open any computer, same RAM, that motherboard, and 1 TV, etc., like that. But we are biased. We are not using that. So this is our karma kshetra. We cannot live in sky. Here only, see, these people only, they made him, they give Bharata Ratna. These people, they made Mahatma, Gandhiji, they made him Mahatma. Padma Shri, these people only they give. When you achieve your dream, these people only, our people only, they celebrate and distribute sweets. And you can see so many, our NTR Murthy, other Mahatma Gandhi Nagar, Mahatma Gandhi Circle, Vivekananda Circle, Vivekananda Road. These people only, they give everything. So this is our karma bhumi. We have to achieve our dream here only. And these people only will appreciate us. So what we can do, what is our choices is our life. If you see, if you open window, you can see God's creation like flower, plants, sky, that river, mountains, forest, ocean. Same thing you can see below: mud, drainage, garbage. Nobody can say you only see garbage, don't see flowers. Nobody can say. What is our choices? And how our time is our life. We all know man the maker of his own destiny. So we don't have power like some birds, it can see 500 meters, long distance it can see. We don't have that power. And elephant, big body, we don't have. Lion, tiger, big some jaws, etc. we don't have. But we have power. I can change my focus. I can change my focus. I have willpower. I have decision-making power. Change focus. First step, to anything you want to do, change your focus. Look for the positive. For example, gold mine, we can see they dig deep 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, and tons of mud they remove, put in that lorry and send. But they focus on gold. To get 10 grams of gold, they dig deep. But they focus on gold. One real story is there. One good company owner, around 10,000 employees working under staff, etc. They were working. And some press reporters, they asked him, how you manage 10,000 people? Union problem, this problem, etc., etc. How you manage like that? Then you tell, with any person, with any situation, I look for the positive. It is not I see positive. I search positive. I focus positive, forcefully. It needs your efforts. It needs your attention. It is not natural. Some ant, you see, it cannot live in sky. 99.99 mud, etc. 0.011 sugar food, but it takes sugar food. Like that, we have to search You have to pay attention. You have to put your efforts. Look for the positive. If I focus on positive, negative goes away. You are going from north to south, north goes away. If you focus on strength, weakness goes away. If you focus on freedom, bondage will go away. If you focus on, we are all divine. If you focus on divinity, worldliness goes away. One day you are so much traveled, you so much walked towards south direction, north, you cannot go back to north. If you focus on solutions, problems goes away. So any situation with any person, I change my focus. I focus on positive. Always think positive. I focus on divinity. I focus on gold. So what we repeatedly think, we will be. Yadbhavam tadbhavati. So our repeated thoughts becomes our actions. Repeated actions becomes our habit. Repeated habits become our destiny. We are all bundle of habits. We are all bundle of habits. And we have great blessings from new habits. We can overcome our old habits. From our new habits, we can overcome our old habits. From new thoughts, positive thoughts, we can overcome our old negative thoughts. From new actions, we can overcome our old actions. We have that blessing. Pencil we write, we can erase it, we can rewrite anytime. Today, today we could not do, tomorrow we can do. Sometime I hurt somebody, tomorrow I can again talk to them and ask sorry. I can talk to them. Like that. Anything we can correct ourselves. So first point, change focus, look for the positive. Second point, make a habit of doing it now. Never leave till tomorrow, which you can do today. Sometimes what happened, we know everything, but sometimes we don't know, lack of priya. We postpone, that will suck our energy. I have not done. Oh, I have not finished. You can like that. So after your good sleep, we make only 2 minutes time. We make it on list. What are the important tasks, urgent works, A1, A2, A3. Swami says, do one thing at a time. Put your heart and soul. Do not think anything beyond that. Do it as worship. We finish A1. We take decision. See, every morning you have options so many available. You have to do number 1, number 2, number 3. We take decision. I finish A1. Then only I go to A2. I make 2 minutes time. I make a list. I finish A1, then A2, A3. After you worked morning 8 hours, 10 hours, that satisfaction is there. After 6 o'clock, after 7 o'clock, after 8 o'clock, you can, that satisfaction. I have done so, I have worked like a bull. I worked hard. So with that satisfaction, you can spend time with your family members. You can see little social media. You can see your favorite TV shows. So we have decision-making power, we have to utilize. We have willpower, we have to utilize. Before morning, important, urgent, unimportant. Other things we postpone, afterwards we'll do. First we finish what is clearly in our hand. What is important, most urgent. One day we have to do, today we finish. That satisfaction, you can enjoy everything. Other thing you can do with that satisfaction. And sometime what happened in between, when you are busy with your routine, time is our life. So you have to control, you want to control your life, control your time. And sometimes in between, some pending work that it comes to mind. So you analyze, reflect on that, how much time it takes. Suppose it takes less than 2 minutes, stop everything, finish it that. If it takes less than 2 minutes, finish that, then you start your routine, your other things. If it, so that satisfaction will be there. You finish that. So like that, personality, make a habit of doing it now. First point, we can change focus. We focus on positive, we focus on strength, we focus on our divinity, we focus on our solutions, we focus on our G. I look for the positive, I look for the gold. With any person, with any situation, I look for the gold. Second, make a habit of doing it now. Third, develop an attitude of gratitude. Gratitude means upakara smaranam. See, we are here means so much sacrifice behind us. Our father, mother, so many teachers, relatives, cousins, neighbors, society. See, so many soul to make us happy. Somebody who is, they were working in borders, Pakistan borders, Jaipur borders, Kashmir border. So many soldiers. Earlier in other days, anybody can attack on anybody. But now, because of our army people, we are safe. Because of our navy people, we are safe. And so many to make us electricity. The turbine people, they are working. They are giving us electricity. And that water, like that, we are getting water. Municipality, that corruption people working, we are getting water. So we should show that we should have that. And that one, like that, in beach, one boy was playing. Suddenly that wave came and took his chappals. And he was angry on God. Oh, new chappal gone. He was started scolding God. Then he saw another boy having no leg, no one leg. Then he was, oh, I was weeping, I'm crying for a slipper, but he don't have leg. He started, oh, thank you, God. I'm very grateful to you. You have given me at least leg. So many people having no leg, no eyes, so many other problems, health problem, diabetes, other family problems, etc. We have that much. We are, see, village people, they without proper shelter, without proper drinking water, they are happy. Why we cannot be happy? We are a local. You are a local tigers. Local. You are born and brought up in good city. Why you cannot be happy? From far away village people in Pahadis, they don't have proper shelter. They don't have proper drinking water. Our team, they go to Araku Valley and serve. They don't have anything, but they're happy. Why we cannot be happy? So morning and evening, we will thankful to God. God has gave us good family members, good city, good satsanga. See, if you born in that Afghanistan, Myanmar, Syria, Mexico border, Israel border, how much difficult? That's why after so much good works, we get like this satsanga. We got precious human birth, and we got good family. And see, out of 700 crores, we are attending youth forum. Means that is also rare. That mumukshutva. I want to the dream. See what happened. We are traveling from Jivatma to Paramatma, individual consciousness to we are evolving. Because of this desire, that mumukshutva, we can accelerate, we can speed up our journey. So that's mumukshutva also very rare. We got that. We got very precious human birth. We got satsanga, good company, good family members, good neighbors, relatives, and good city. And we got that mumukshutva. I want to evolve. I want to achieve something. See, personality means village people are also very happy. They are also good people. We want productive efficiency. Integrity inside, productive efficiency outside. I repeat, integrity inside. You should be sincere in your heart. You should be honest in your heart. Outside, you should be productive efficiency. You should be role model to somebody. I want to be like the Dr. G. You seeing his youth seeing your see that I shared that YouTube link. So many will think, I want to be like the Dr. G, like that. How nicely he is trying to make this word better for, is making better place to live. Is more better is making. Like that, you should be role model. Productive efficiency. I want to be like Appa. She is all the way came from Srikakulam. Our Appanna Garu. Ji. She is inspiring. He is also conducting youth classes. He is inspiring so many youths. There are so many youths. So the younger generation, I want to be like Appanna Garu. Like that, they will think. Like that, you should be role model. Some younger generation from your relatives, neighbors. I want to be Padmavati Garu, Vandana Ji. Like that, they want to think. Productive efficiency outside. Integrity inside. Productive efficiency outside. So first step, change focus, look for the positive. Second, make a habit of doing it now. Third, develop an attitude of gratitude. I'm very grateful to God for everything. Third, get into a continuous education program. Get into a continuous education program. See, one day if you don't sweep the floor, dust will come. If you one day don't wash your plates, you cannot eat. So one day you cannot charge your mobile, that battery goes down. Like that, our mind also. We need continuous that education program. Like this weekly once, our youth forum and other every day, 4 minutes, minimum 5 minutes meditation, morning or evening, anytime. After, if you do meditation, what happened? Simply sit straight, watch your thoughts, what is going on. That's all. After 5 minutes, you start other duties. From that, our Dr. G knows some positive chemicals produces. They call it dopamine, serotonin, something like that. Positive chemical produces. That whole day it will recharge you. You will be more efficient, more productive. And our Dr. G suggests also you get up early. If you go early to bed, tomorrow's routine starts with today's, or when you go to sleep. Tomorrow's routine starts with today. You remember always. When you go to bed early, you can get up early. The previous, if you get up 4 o'clock, how calm, nice. And I'll share that link. You see our Dr. G video. Like that. So you will get extra 2 hours. If you get up at 4 o'clock, 4:30, 3 o'clock, 3:30, you get extra 3 hours. So morning 5 minutes if you do, you will be more energetic, more motivated. You will be more efficient. You will be more productive. You can plan nicely. You can very leisurely, you can do all the work. Priority A1, A2, A3, what is important, what is urgent, like that you can finish. After you work 10 hours like a bull, that satisfaction will be there. You can spend time with your family members. You see little social media, etc. They say, identify your distractions. You postpone it slowly. And so, fourth step, get into a continuous education program. First, I can change my focus. I look for the positive. Second, make a habit of doing it now. Third, develop an attitude of gratitude. Third, get into a continuous education program. In this 5 minutes meditation, 5 minutes, 1 page you can read any motivational books, morning or evening, before going to sleep. If you read and sleep, all day our subconscious mind thinks on that. That is also wonderful. It will recharge our one page, any good book, any motivational book. Or 5 minutes meditation and 5 minutes prayer. You talk to your favorite God, Sai Baba, Krishna, Rama, Shiva, Ganesha, you talk whatever you want, you pray for whatever you want. That is also brings energy. 5 minutes meditation, 5 minutes dhyanam, on 1 page or 2 page reading. Enough. It will charge your every day. All day you will be 15 minutes if you do, remaining 23 hours, 45 minutes, you will be more productive. You will be more efficient. You will be more energetic. You will be more motivated. So only three things. So fifth point, build a positive self-esteem. Self-esteem means swagaravam. Others, what they think about you, others, what they think about you, it is reputation. It will change anytime. Suppose Tendulkar or Virat Kohli make 0-0, 5 match 0, all breaking news comes. 0 hero, 0 hero. 6th match, he play century na. Again breaking news comes. Class is permanent. Form is temporary. When somebody loses election, next time we will win, everybody goes to him. So reputation, anytime it changes. But what you think, if you lose faith in yourself, if you don't have Shraddha in yourself, what is your opinion about yourself? That is Swagaravam, self-esteem. You should be, Uddhare Atma, you should believe in yourself. You should believe in your hard work. You should believe in your efforts. You should believe in your willpower. You should believe in your decision making. So you slowly build your self-esteem. How to increase your self-esteem? How Dr. G is doing. See, in spite of his so many commitments, is helping somebody. His own way, his own creative way. He cannot, he's having his own limitation. Whatever he can do, he's running on YouTube channel, he's inspiring people, he's helping people without expecting anything return. Somebody, suppose you have old dress, so you search, somebody cannot buy, you give them. So you have old books, you search, somebody cannot buy, you give them, you are not utilizing, you can give them. Whatever, suppose your knowledge you have, you teach somebody. Don't expect, one condition is, it should be nishkama karma, duty for duty's sake. You should not expect anything return. You should not expect. You gave. Duty for, you took from this, you kept here. That's all. Your duty over. Karmanya vadikaraste, nishkama karma. Then from that, you immediately will self-esteem will increase. So fifth point is, build a positive self-esteem. Help somebody. Not that. Out of 24 hours, 5 minutes. Out of 1 week, Sunday on half an hour. Your own way. No hurry, nothing, no commitments. Your own way, you help somebody. See that deserved. They should be deserved. Condition, you should not expect anything return. You help and forget. So, first point, change focus, look for the positive. Second point, make a habit of doing it now. Third, develop an attitude of gratitude. Get into a continuous education program. Build a positive self-esteem. Sixth, stay away from negative influences. See, sometime what happened, we'll identify your distractions. See, it is not negative, everything is positive, everything God only created, but we have limited time. We have only 100 years. In one day, we have only 24 hours. We cannot, they say master of, a jack of many trades, master of none. So we want to expect year also. We have 100 years. That too, after 60 years, you cannot do anything. Only 60 years you have. Already 20 years over. Another 20 years you have. So identify your area, where you want to achieve, what is important, what is urgent, and stick to that. Stickability is more than other talent. Stickability, perseverance, determination. Use your decision making. So many options available. A, B, C, D, A. Next 1 year, I will do A only. I will see B, C, etc. after achieving my goal. After completing A, I use my decision making. Everything positive, but I choose what I want. I do A only, other thing I postpone. I will be master in that. Like that, you have to use your decision making, identify your distractions, slowly come away. Or in home, somebody written, Repu Randi. Means so, you are busy today, tomorrow you come. Again, tomorrow also you are busy, again tomorrow come, like that. So you busy with your goal. They say live in day-to-day compartment. Busy, make a routine. Our time is our life. Take control of your time. Do one thing at a time, one task. Identify distraction. Slowly postpone the distraction. After your evening, you can do. Morning, you are energetic. After your good sleep, you are fresh and energetic. You do whatever your dream, your immediate task clearly in your hand. Evening, you can do other things, other small things. So identify your distraction. Stay away from negative. Intelligently, somebody call, sorry, brother, I'm little busy. Next week, I'll try. Intelligently, we don't make any enmity with anybody. Intelligently, we postpone. We talk to our mind also. Brother, you cooperate with me. I'll study this. I will complete. I work hard 10 hours. Afterwards, you please cooperate me. Evening, I will reward you something. You talk to your mind. You tell to your mind. Then mind will help you. It will cooperate you. Our own Swamiji was there. He was talking to sleep, that pillow. Oh, my dear pillow, morning I want to get 6 o'clock. Please help me like that. Exactly 6 o'clock. You used to get up 4 o'clock like that. So you talk to your mind. So please, from this distraction, you protect me. So I will reward you something. Evening, nice tea, coffee you make and give to your, like that. You enjoy as a reward. Something like that. I didn't stay away from negative influence. Everything positive. But when you are doing A, stay away from B, C, D, E, etc. You can use your airplane mode or silent mode. So many things, other distraction you identify. You give alert time. So I will be busy with A. On paper I keep. Some pending work I remember, other things I note down. I will do evening 7 to 8. I will attend like that. You note down and forget. Even on notepad, you can note down and do your other things. If 7 o'clock, you can attend that. And everybody will come to our Padmaji. Padma Garu will be busy morning. So evening, I will call you. Like that, everybody will come to know 1 month. So everybody will disturb you after 7 only, night 7. Morning, you can do your precious time for your important urgent work. Seventh, learn to like the things that need to be done. Learn to like the things that need to be done. Sometimes what happened, we have off-traveled. We have committed. Wisdom is, you should not commit to anything. Wisdom is, you should not commit to anything. But you are committed, you complete this. See, stickability is greatest talent. You should not, patience, what is patience? It is not to waiting or forbearance night. In spite of little difficulties, in spite of little obstacles, we should continue our journey. We should complete. We should stick to that. We should not give up. Failure is normal. Sometimes struggle is normal, but you should bounce back. You should continue your journey. You should stick to that. You should not give up. You learn, if I complete this, I can give rest to my parents. If you complete this, somebody will get benefit. If you complete this, our parents will be proud of me. If you complete this, my teachers will be proud of me. If I complete this, they will appreciate. I will get respect. People see you as a role model. You may get promotion. If you may get increment. People see you as a leader. You always learn whatever you committed. It is clearly in your hand. Please complete it. Learn to like the things that need to be done. Last point. Afterwards, 2-3 minutes question and answer will be there. Start your day with positive. Last 8th point. Morning shows the day. Morning, if it is bright, you can say, oh, today will be wonderful, very nice, like that. So try to go to early to sleep, and our doctor's video I share. Get up at morning as early as possible, 3:30, 4 o'clock, 4:30, 5 o'clock. You are very fresh and a precious time. So start with meditation, 5 minutes. Start with another 5 minutes prayer. Something positive, or some aerobics, yogasana, walking, jogging, whatever you want. If you do 30 minutes, so some exercise, remaining 23 hours, 30 minutes, you can enjoy. You can be healthy. Or 30 minutes of little small movements you can do. Remaining 23 hours, 30 minutes, you can be more energetic. We can achieve our goal. So start your day with positive. So once again, I repeat, afterwards 2-3 minutes question and answer. Change focus, look for the positive, make a habit of doing it now, develop an attitude of gratitude, get into a continuous education program, build a positive self-esteem, stay away from negative influences, learn to like the things that need to be done, start your day with positive. So see, it is not to, the Swamiji again and says self-conscious activity. 21 days, it needs your effort, it needs your attention, it needs your willpower, it needs your decision-making ability, it needs your stickability, it needs your bouncing back ability. If you make it 21 days, afterwards it becomes natural, it becomes spontaneous. It becomes, without effort, it becomes habit. We are all bundle of habits. Whatever, it becomes our destiny. So 21 days, please follow action steps. Be a good finder, make a habit of doing it now, develop an attitude of gratitude, get into a continuous education program, build a positive self-esteem, stay away from negative influences, learn to like the things that need to be done, start your day with positive. And we are yoga course we are doing, our Anil Garu is teaching, you can join also. Morning 6 to 7, start your day with positive. Remaining 23 hours, you can be, or you can enjoy that with so much energy. Action plans. Write this, I'll share this slide in our activity group, information group. Please write these action steps down on some small size paper, or no, you can note down in mobile also, and read them every day for the next 21 days. Morning, instead of reading other books, 21 days you read this. It takes only 2 minutes. Read this. So it becomes our, repeatedly what we think, it converts into actions. So 21 days if we do, it comes naturally. It becomes spontaneous. It becomes effortless. Second, answer the following questions. How can you use each step? At home, how you can use? You look for the positive, look for the divinity. Search with your family members, you search any situation with any person, you can see gold. How you can use in home, how you can use in work, how you can use in society. Look for the gold with every person, in every situation. You think over sometimes. Third one, make a list of things you would like to change about yourself. In mobile, sometimes you make note. You analyze, you reflect on yourself. Make a list of things you would like to change about yourself. Fourth one, then list the benefits to you and others of each change. Something you want to change, how it benefits to your family members, your father, mother. Think on that. Finally, establish a timetable and commit yourself to make changes. So we have so much benefit we are getting. This is the time. The youth, now you cannot do, or you cannot, no future you cannot do. Now or never. Do now, it will do your best, you will harvest later. This, if you put seed today, you will harvest tomorrow. You get so much rewards. Your father will be benefited, mother will be benefited, society members will be benefited. So, so anything you want to ask, 5 minutes you can ask. Our online students, anything you want to ask, you ask in activity group, we try to answer. I put in these slides in online information group and activity group. You please ask anything, 5 minutes. Anything you can ask. Our Dr. G also will answer. He is our future next Sunday's speaker. Huh? You ask, no, in Telugu also you ask. Telugu, जी जी. Ji. And we see for every reaction there is an equal and opposite reaction. Nothing go waste wrong. How much you can, that much we get benefit. No, nothing. See, 21 days is not continuously. This month 15 days, next month 5 days, or something like that. You somehow you like that. No, suppose exercise is out of 365 days, you can do 250 days, 300 days. That prayer out of 365 days, you can do 200 days. Meditation out of 365 days, 200 days. Motivational book reading 1 page out of 365 days, 300 days. How much you, whenever you remember you do, it becomes your habit, your part of our life, like that. From new habits, we can overcome our old habits. New thoughts, always remember, from new thoughts, positive thoughts, we can overcome our negative thoughts. I focus on solutions, problem goes away. I focus on strength, weakness goes away. I focus on divinity, worldliness goes away, like that. So, anything you can ask in our activity group also. Our resource persons, so many, our Anil Garu list, made list, so many best motivational speaker list. Wonderful session is, please continue. That whatever others talent you have, stickability is more than the best number 1 talent. Stick to this. Please, don't compare with others. Continue this 3 months journey. Definitely that. G. So anything you want to ask, you can ask us. Our resource persons will answer. We'll make it nice. We close with closing prayer, concluding prayers. We end our program. Afterwards, our Anil Garon team and all, they arrange a nice breakfast for us. You ask, huh? And that to now time is short, Ji. Please excuse us. I will try to answer in activity group, Ji. And our other admins, resource persons also, they will answer. Please excuse us for shortage of time. Ji. Please repeat closing prayers. Ji. Please repeat loudly. Natvaham kamaye rajyam.
Natvaham kamaye rajyam.
Nasvargam na punarbhavam.
Nasvargam na punarbhavam.
Kamaye dukkataptanam.
Kamaye dukkataptanam.
Pranina murtinasanam.
Praninam murtinasanam.
Sarvastaratu durgani.
Sarvastara durgani.
Sarvo bhadrani pashyatu.
Sarvo bhadrani pashyatu.
Sarva sadbuddhimapnotu.
Sarva sadbuddhimapnotu.
Sarva sarvatra nandatu.
Sarva sarvatra nandatu.
Durjana sajjano bhuyat.
Durjana sajjano bhuyat.
Sajjana shanti mapnuyat.
Sajjana santi mapnuyat.
Shanto muccheta bandhebhyo.
Santo mucceta bandhebhyo.
Muktasyanyan vimochayet.
Muktaschanyaya vimochayet.
Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam.
Swasti prajabhya paripalayantah.
Nyayena margena mahim mahisha.
Nyayena margena mahimahisa.
Go brahmanebhya subhamastu nityam.
Go brahmanebhya subhamastu nityam.
लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु
लोकां समस्तां सुखिनो भवन्तु
मूकं करोति वाचालं
मूकं करोति वाचालं
भङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं
पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं
यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे
यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे
परमानन्दमाधवम्
परमानन्दमाधवम्
कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा
कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियै वा
बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात्
बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात्
करोमि यद्य सकलं परस्मै
करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै
नारायणायेति समर्पयामि
नारायणायेति समर्पयामि
प्रीयतां पुण्डरीकाक्षः
प्रियतां पुण्डरीकाक्षां
सर्वयज्ञेश्वरो हरिः
सर्वयज्ञेश्वरो हरिः
तस्मिन् तुष्टे जगत्तुष्टं
तस्मिन् तुष्टे जगत्तुष्टं
प्रीणिते प्रीणितं जगत्
प्रीणिते प्रीणितं जगत्
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
हरिः ॐ तत्सत्
हरिः ॐ तत्सत्
श्रीरामकृष्णार्पणमस्तु
श्रीरामकृष्णार्पणमस्तु
थैंक यू जी